Let's we start the seventh topic of the S block elements. General characteristics of compound of the alkaline earth metal. The D positive oxidation state M2 positive is the predominant valency of group 2 elements. The alkali earth metals from compound which are predominantly ionic but less ionic than the corresponding compounds of alkali metals. This is due to increased nuclear charge and smaller size. The oxidants and other compounds of beryllium and magnesium are more covalent than those formed by the heavier and large-sized members. The general characteristics of some of the compound of alkali earth metals are described below. First, oxides and hydroxides. The alkali earth metals burn in oxygen to form the monoxides MO, which accepts for BeO. Beryllium oxides have rock salt structure. The BeO is essentially covalent in nature. The enthalpy of formation of these oxides are quite high and constantly they are very stable to heat. BeO is amphoteric while oxides of other elements are ionic in nature. All these oxides except BeO are basic in nature and react with water from strongly soluble hydroxide. The reaction is MO plus H2 to form MO plus H2O to form MOH2. The solubility, thermal stability and the basic character of these hydroxides increased with increased atomic number from MgOH2 to BaOH2. The alkaline earth metals hydroxides are however less basic and less stable than alkali metals hydroxides. Beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature as it reacts with acids and alkali both. The reaction is BeOH2 plus 2OH negative to form BeOH4 2 negative is beryllat ion. BeOH2 plus 2HCl plus 2H2O to form BeOH4 in bracket Cl2. Then halides. Halides accepts for beryllium halides. All other halides of alkaline earth metals are ionic in nature. Beryllium halides are essentially covalent and soluble in organic solvents. Beryllium chloride have the chain structure in the solid state as shown is below. In the vapor phase, BeCl2 tends to form a chloro-bridged dimer which dissociate into the linear monomer at high temperature of the order of 1200 Kelvin. The tendency to form halide hydrate gradually decreases. For example, MgCl2.8H2O, CaCl2.6H2O, SrCl2.6H2O and BaCl2.2H2O. Down the group, the dihydration of hydrate chloride, bromide and iodides of calcium, strontium, barium can be achieved on heating. However, the corresponding halides of beryllium and magnesium on heating suffer hydrolysis. The fluorides are relatively less soluble than the chloride, owing to their high lattice energy. Then salt of oxo acid. The alkaline earth metals also form salt of oxo acids. Some of these: first, Carbonate of alkali earth metals are insoluble in water, can be precipitated by addition of a sodium or ammonium carbonate solution to a solution of a soluble salt of these metals. The solubility of carbonates in water decreases as the atomic number of the metal ion is increases. All the carbonate decomposed on heating to give carbon dioxide and the oxides. Beryllium carbonate is unstable and can be kept only in atmosphere of CO2. Beryllium carbonate is unstable and can kept only in atmosphere of CO2. The thermal stability increase with increased cationic size.